this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Apple Watch, could be any Apple Watch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever, to iPhone 14, could be any iPhone 14, iPhone 14, 14 Plus Pro or Pro Max, whatever. The process is the similar. In Apple Watch you have to hit the dial button, hit this one. Check this option of the setting. Here we go. You see here, setting, hit the setting option. In setting you have to find this option, it's called general, hit this one. In general you have to go down and find this option, reset. Yes guys, you have to reset your phone. If you don't reset, you can't add to the new phone. Okay, and if you have a new Apple Watch, you don't need to reset, you can connect directly. So I hit reset button. Erase all content and setting, reset home layout, erase all content and setting. Choose the first option because you have to erase everything. Here we go. Erase all in this case. Now you see something appears on the screen. It's loading, so you have to wait this one and it will ask for a new phone to set up. So I have to wait for this. If you have a new Apple Watch, you don't need to do anything as that. You just hit the power button and you can pair directly. I've been waiting long time for the watch. Is done. Now you see this icon is telling me to bring the phone closer. So this is brand new iPhone 14 Plus. So we're gonna do one thing. We have to search the watch option. You don't need to do anything in the old phone. Here you see it's appear directly without doing anything. I hit continue. If this doesn't appear directly, you can do something. You can go to the searching, type watch. Here we go. You see the watch option. Can go directly here, the same. So it's the same thing. Set up for myself, set up for family member. So you can set up couple of watch with your phone. This is my personal watch, and also you can set up a Samsung watch with your iPhone. If you want check, I have a video. Check the video description how you can do that. So in this case, let's go with the iPhone and Apple Watch. Set up for myself. I hit this one. Now you have to scan this. You see how I'm doing? I have to do exactly. Now the pair, this watch is already I'm using, or you can set up as a new Apple Watch as well. So I hit restore. Here we go. Continue. Let's see, connecting with Apple Watch. This may take a moment in this case. You see here the language and other setting is up here. Connecting your Apple Watch. This may take a moment. So after putting that, share with Apple Watch, don't share, watch analyst. I hit don't share, do as you like, create a password, don't add any passwords. Don't use passwords. Use Siri, yes. Okay. Continue. Continue. Get to know watch. Hit here. Here all the information. I hit done button. We have to wait. You see both of them has similar skin. We have to wait till the process has done. After waiting almost 10 minutes, now I get this message. The watch is done. I hit OK button here. Is done. So I can change the watch face. Let's see. I want something different here. Put this one. Here we go. This button set as current watch face. And I think it should done here. You see it's done. So this watch is connected with iPhone 14 guys. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.